G'day, I've got a bush hack for you. Quick, easy fix. The braces broke. That little clip that normally goes on the end of there, they always break. Sometimes the wire breaks as well. This case, one was the wire break, but the clips also broke. Remove everything, just leaving the straps, like so. From your local, you can get them hardware, chemist. I got these at the chemist. Your thrifty shop, your cheap shop, whatever. Carabiner clips. Feed that onto that strap, like so. One, two. I did the back one earlier, but it's the same deal. You just have to thread that one through a little bit more. And then, make sure we got this lined up the right way. Instead of clipping it onto the material at the eyelets, where the belt is, or that's where I did, actually clip it onto the belt eyelet itself. Why does I make that look so difficult? One. Two. Where's that one? Three. And that there is a quick, easy, cheap fix for broken braces. When the clips go, that's how you fix them. And they're very effective, they look okay, and yeah, I mean, that just saved me replacing a $30 pair of braces. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Cheers. Have a good night.